This is a York air conditioner at my aunt's neighbor's house. It's from 2001, and it's a loud air conditioner. It's vibrating too. You can't see back there, it has a fat, huge blister reciprocating compressor. This is a 3.5 ton unit from 2001. This is a 10 SEER unit, and it's cold and sort of sweaty. That's burning hot. But yeah, disconnect box, cheap vinyl siding. And this is extremely loud. The noise carries, like you can hear it. My aunt's house, way over there. You can hear this thing start up when you're on the back step. Yeah. And this two's a little small for the house. This house is more like 2,900 square feet. And this is a 3.5 ton. It's, yeah. It sucks at cooling. Yeah, it's a pretty good solid unit. Other than being very loud, it's a good unit. So, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. And that's it.